CSV YummY recipes. Today I am going to prepare raw mango Moong Dal Rasam. I have taken one raw mango and 3/4 cup of Moong Dal. I am going to rinse and I will add 2 cups of water and I am going to pressure cook it now. I have chopped this raw mango. Next I have taken 2 red chilies, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. This is 1/2 teaspoon sugar, which is optional. Few curry leaves, turmeric, 3/4 teaspoon ginger paste, 3/4 teaspoon garlic paste, and 1.5 teaspoon. Next I am heating 1.5 tablespoon oil. The oil is heated. Next I am adding mustard seed. Next I am adding cumin seed. Next red chili. Saute it for a minute. Next I am adding curry leaves. Next I am adding turmeric, ginger paste, garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Next I am adding salt, and sugar is optional. Next chopped mango. Cooking the mangoes by adding water just to immerse all the mango pieces, and at this time you can cook it on the high flame. I'm just checking whether these mango pieces are cooked. Still they have to be cooked. Stir it once and keep the lid on. Let it cook now. I'm checking once again. Yeah, these mangoes are cooked. Next I'm adding this cooked moong dal. Now add required amount of water. You can increase the or decrease the quantity of moong dal depending upon the sourness of the mango. Mix it well. Cook it on high flame now. Mix well. Keep the lid on. After 5 minutes, I'm taking off the lid and checking. The bubbles are popping up, and at this point it is totally done. Check for salt and sugar. If you like sour, you need not add salt. Here I'm going to add some more sugar. Salt is perfect, and I'm adding a little more sugar. Stir it and switch off the flame. I'm transferring it to the serving bowl now. I have transferred it to the serving bowl, and this should be the consistency. I have added 2 cups of water after adding moong dal, and now I'm just adding few coriander leaves. Now I have transferred it to the serving bowl. After adding moong dal, I have added approximately 2 cups of water. You can increase or decrease it. And I have added few curry leaves. Thanks for watching.